Today I'm going to show you how to buy a domain on Namecheap in a simple and clear way. First, go to the Namecheap website and log in to your account. If you don't have one yet, you can create it in just a few minutes. Once you're on the home page, you'll see a search bar. This is where you can search for your domain name, type the name you want, like your brand or website name, and click Search. Now, Namecheap will show you a list of available domain options. If your exact name is available, you can add it to your cart. If not, you'll see alternative suggestions with different extensions like .com, .net, or .io. After choosing your domain, click Add to Cart and then Checkout. On the checkout page, you can select how many years you want to register the domain. You can also enable options like Auto Renew to keep your domain active. Next, confirm your contact details and complete the payment using your preferred method. Once the payment is successful, your domain will be registered and ready to use. And that's it. Now you know how to buy a domain on Namecheap quickly and easily.